Okay, my name's Dean Yoshizumi with Blackwater International, and today we're going to bring you a few tips on splicing and top shot making. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to work with 40-pound fluorocarbon. This application would be for the calico bass, white sea bass, local. We've also been using it for freshwater bass fishing also. And what we're going to do is we're going to connect our fluorocarbon to a 65-pound 16 braid hollow line without a knot. And the first thing we've done is we've inserted our fluorocarbon into a hollow threading needle. Okay, so we've inserted our 40-pound fluorocarbon into our hollow threading needle, and now we're going to insert that into the hollow. Okay, now for this application you can go about 3 feet's plenty. You don't need to go in 5 feet like the bigger gear. Pull your threading needle out, and we'll clamp it up. Okay, now the knot we're going to use to secure this braid to the fluoro is called a 8-turn nail knot, and we're going to be using 18-pound solid spectra to tie this knot with. And again, we're using the same loop needle, which is 27-pound stainless. Eight turns. Go through the loop, pull it through, take your 2 tag ends and pull the knot snug but not tight. We're going to slide this to the end. And then again we're going to take the 2 dowels that I've cut the channel in here with a pipe cutter, so the threads lock in. It only takes a turn or 2 and the threads lock in. And what you want to do when you tighten this up, rather than pull across like this, put the tips together and use the leverage of the dowel. You have way more control. And you'll notice that once the thread turns clear, it won't tighten up any further. So that's as tight as it's going to get. Trim. Put a little bit of Spectra glue on there. Come back and trim your tag end. Pull it into the hollow. And now you've got your 40-pound fluorocarbon connected to your 65-pound hollow braid without a knot. So here's a practical application of the connection we just did. This reel has 65-pound 16 braid hollow on it. And this is the nail knot that we just did to connect the fluorocarbon, and you can see that it easily goes through the guides, transitions through the level wind right onto the reel. Whereas if you have a knot, it either gets caught or doesn't pass through the level wind. So by using this connection, you can use anywhere from 5 feet to 50 or 100 feet of fluorocarbon, depending on your application. And again, you can see how it passes through the guide.